Hello, folks. Welcome to another episode of Hunting Down Hot Wheels in Toronto. Previously, we were calling this Where to Find Hot Wheels, so we just changed the name. So today, we are visiting a Dollarama at Birchmount Road. Let's see what they have in pegs for us. So I have not visited this store before. Right off the back, I'm not seeing any fresh restocks, but there are a few good cars here and there. For Hot Wheels, they do not have much, I can tell after going through. There is a Gordon Murray, I guess, automotive. Yeah, it's a good find. I might gonna take this, but in comparison with Hot Wheels, Matchbox had good cars though. So these are the ones I think is good in pegs. So one Cadillac Project GTP, the A74 Brazilian Charger. In Matchbox, I can see there's Volkswagen Golf MK1, there's another one Golf Country, and the field car. Overall, I will give 3 out of 5 stars in terms of restock and everything, or the collection itself. So let's check out with these cars. Thank you once again, folks. Please subscribe to support the channel. I will be hunting down more and sharing with you guys more as well. Thanks for watching.